Stop thinking about how to make yourself successful and start thinking about how to make other people successful. Wow, what a concept, right? And it's really well in the saying that I got, and I don't have anybody to attribute it to, but it's so great. It says, stop thinking about how to make yourself successful. Start thinking about how to make everyone around you successful. Why do you think the person that starts as the CEO's assistant ends up being the CEO of the company someday? Why is it that a person starts on a factory line and ends up being the president of the company? Because all through that path, what they have done is they have taken their skills and they have used them to help everyone around them to success. And in your business, if you can help other people be successful, you're going to skyrocket. I want you to think about that. We spend so much time thinking about ourselves, what we can do, how we can make it happen. How am I going to do it? Wow. Start 2019 a little different. Start working and watch what happens. Start working to help all those around you. You will be amazed. That's your tip for today. It's Coach Manny. It's exciting to have you here. I ask you to finally, to join our group and check out the 90 Days to Success. Just get up on the website, check out the product, but more than that, get the free book we have out there where we talk about all these things we talk about every day. It's really worth it. Just go to Coach Manny and get yourself a copy. Hey, we got some great stuff coming up. I will talk to you later.